All right, a very, very warm welcome. Many thanks for joining us on yet another edition of GlobalNet Show, a platform where we discuss IT, telecoms, where we unveil the personalities behind this key industry. Kunle Aburushade, and together and always on this platform with a gentleman we call the encyclopedia of telecoms in Nigeria. Why? Because he has been there from the very beginning, the deregulation of this vital in the sector. And Fidel Otuya brings that world of experience to you and to share every Thursday. Fidel, good morning.
Kunle, good morning.
You look radiant, despite I think the rain is kind of calm things down, and everybody looks kind of refreshed. Because, this is Nigeria, and, every break we can get to calm down
the rain had to come because it's been a terrible week for people.
It has been.
And the respite just looks very remote.
Okay.
Do you know the joke on social media now?
Yeah.
People say, sorry, sir. You can keep the $20 billion missing NPC money. Just give us fuel. Just give us fuel.
Okay. So it will seem as if those who took the 20 billion have done their own work.
So you people are looking for money. We will show you.
Fantastic. But if you know us on this show, you know that we don't dwell so much into all of that. We try to give you information. We try to give resources that will help you, get the best of value for that telephone that you are holding in your hand. And that's why every Thursday you have to be here at 9 a.m. and get more details of all of the things that can help you in the world of telecommunication. Okay, what's our agenda this morning? Where we are going to look at is it a class action? Is that what you call it?
Yeah, it's a class action.
It's a class action,
yeah.
And it's about time as well. Who should be the beneficiary of the fines that the telcos are paying for poor services? It has been government who has been receiving this money in the past 3 years.
Yes.
But the government are not the one paying for these services. They are not the one holding the short end of the stick. The consumers are. How do you compensate that consumer who has taken his hard-earned money to buy services that he is not getting? How do you compensate that person? And then when you find the telcos, government receives the billions,
yes,
and life goes on. Is it right?
Smooth money. Smooth money. And that's why these guys are saying enough is enough.
Yeah.
We just have to seek court intervention in this case. Let the court define it.
Let them define it. Who should be the beneficiary? It's a key and a very, very important question. Who should be the beneficiary of that? After the break, we come back and discuss a lot more about this, those who are filing and what they are asking. Fidel has the document right here to share with you. And then, of course, this issue of gigahertz, megahertz, we hear it all of the time.
Yes.
And a lot of our viewers, thousands, millions of our viewers don't really know the difference. What's the difference between gigahertz and megahertz? And again, what is even gigahertz itself? What is megahertz?
Yes.
Before we talk about the differences.
Yes.
And we just have the right man right in our studio to break it down to you in your own language that you can understand. He's already seated there, Dr. Yakubu Adamu, right?
Yes.
He is an IT telecom expert, consultant to so many of the service providers, and presently now consultant to Capcom. We've been talking about Capcom on this show.
Yes.
And open. We'll use this opportunity to ask him what is happening there. We had hoped they will be the first LTE,
4G network.
4G network. It hasn't happened yet. Why has it not happened? All of that in the next 25 minutes. It's a GlobalNet show. We'll be right back. If you are just joining us, you are just in time. Take a seat and relax as we take you into the world of telecoms in Nigeria. Of course, what that means is that the tips you get here will enable you to get the best of value for every single kobo that you spend in this key sector. All right, don't also forget that our website is up and running, and a brilliant website we just put up for you there. The conversation continues throughout the week. www.globalnettv.net.ng, and well, many of you are sharing a lot of things with us there. And well, we're inviting more of you into that platform. Let's talk together. Let's share together. It is your voice, and whatever we share there, of course, we bring you here on terrestrial television. And for example, Fidel, okay, a class action against, is it against the receiver? Is it the receiver? The government is the receiver. They have been collecting. It's sweetening them now.
What they are saying now is that the operator should not pay the